My video guide is about removing the browser notifications that are related to the website rplnd38.com. rplnd38.com is a website that tries to encourage its visitors into clicking on a special Allow button. The website says that people need to click on Allow to play some video or to verify that they are humans. But in reality, clicking on this Allow button is extremely dangerous and risky. If you do that, your browser will most likely be hijacked and infected with numerous advertisements that will be displayed randomly in the right part of your computer screen. And these ads are dangerous because also they may point you to a lot of other shady websites that may infect the system with adware, with browser hijackers and other threats. So if you have clicked on the Allow button, definitely it was a mistake that needs to be urgently fixed. To fix the issue, do the following: access the menu, go to Settings, select Security and Privacy, Site Settings, go to Permissions and choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications, and if you find this rplnd38.com, you need to remove it from the list. So click on this button and remove the malicious website from the list. And of course, if you see other junk sites causing such troubles, you need to remove them too. There is a good program that can help you do that automatically and remove all these junk sites from attacking your screen. The program is called Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and you may get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.